Hey Saber fans, this is Gray Paladin, and I thought it would be a good idea to give you a comparison between a budget $100 saber and a high-end $500 lightsaber. So up here we have the FLYTE by Ultimate Works, and this is holding the light version of the Asteria soundboard, and this is the Sabertrio Reaver, which is housing a Crystal Focus 10 CFX soundboard. I have them both set to the Negotiator sound font, that's Obi-Wan Kenobi from the Clone Wars. One thing to keep in mind is that the CFX Reaver saber has a 28mm high bass speaker, and the FLYTE has a 20mm bass speaker. So keep that in mind as you're listening to the two, that you just have a higher quality speaker in the Reaver than you do in the FLYTE. But that also adds to the reason why this is a budget saber and this one is a high end. Let's go ahead and fire them up and compare the swings. This one has what Ultimate Works calls a hybrid smooth swing.
Let the negotiations begin.
Now on to the Reaver with CFX.
Goodness, you're not one to trifle with, are you? You can't win. Let the negotiations begin. This is the last time Cody takes a day off.
So if you notice between the two, the response is much stronger and better in the Reaver, and the accent or the regular swings don't kick in quite as quickly as it does on the FLYTE. But granted, this is $100 and this is $500 plus, depending on the setup and configurations that you have added to it. I do think that the quality of this $100 budget saber is really high. I mean, this is offering a lot for $100, but you can tell that this is a more quality and a better saber. Just the intricacy of the hilt and the quality of the sound and the capabilities of the board. But you do get excellent quality out of both. Let's do that one more time just so you can hear that before we wrap it up. $100.
Let the negotiations begin.
And $500.
I have a bad feeling about this. Never time to limber up.
Something else to keep in mind is that the FLYTE is a bass lit LED, and that's the only option you have for that. And the Reaver has NeoPixel, but you can also get it baselit as well. But having all those things together, which is what also increases the price of this saber. So I hope this comparison was of value to you, and deciding on which route you want to go, if you want to go budget saber around $100 or really go for high-end saber around $500 and up. So thank you very much for watching, and may the Force be with you.